Satnam and welcome. I'm Param Dave, and this is Puran Devi, and this is Yogic Living. So today, we're going to be doing a Venus Kriya called Shiva Shakti pose. So let's get right into it. Let's rub our palms to the center of our chest. Rub our palms together, put a little chi, a little energy in there. And we're going to tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. But first, we're going to get rid of any tension and stress that we've accumulated throughout our day. So take a big deep inhale and scoop all that stuff up and with your breath. And release. Once again, take a big deep inhale, scoop up all that tension, stress, worries, and let it go. Last time, inhale, suspend the breath. And exhale. Inhale and begin with me. Om Namo Inhale, suspend the breath. Feel the connection between God, the Guru, your higher self, whatever your concept is. Exhale. Inhale once again, suspend the breath, feel the connection. Exhale. Last time, inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale, relax the posture. Well, that was the Adi mantra, and we do that to tune into our higher vibrational frequency, allows us to connect with the golden chain of teachers for guidance and for wisdom. And it is a requirement before you begin any Kundalini Yoga practice. And so the next mantra is a requirement, especially before you start a Venus Kriya as well. So it's the Mangala Charm mantra. Adgadanama, Jugadgadanama, Sadgadanama, Siddhgadanama. So again, we're going to be putting our palms at the center of our chest. Take a big deep inhale and begin with me. Adgadanama, Jugadgadanama, Sadgadanama, Siddhgadanama. Adgadanama, Jugadgadanama, Sadgadanama, Siddhgadanama. Adgadanama, Jugadgadanama, Sadgadanama, Siddhgadanama. Inhale, suspend the breath. Feel the protection wrapping around you like a warm blanket. Exhale. Inhale once again, suspend the breath. Feel the protection. Exhale. Last chance, inhale, suspend the breath. And exhale. Relax the posture. Well, that was the Mangala Charm mantra. And again, what that does is it brings more protection into our practice. It's also a requirement before you start any of these Venus kriyas, because these are very powerful. So we're going to get right into it. So the Venus kriya we're going to do today is called Shiva Shakti pose. And again, these Venus kriyas are designed to help bring you closer together with your partner on a more spiritual level. You could do this as a precursor to lovemaking or whatever you desire, or as a daily practice between you two. It doesn't mean that you have to be different sex. If you have a partner that is the same sex as you, this doesn't matter. What this simply does is it harnesses the different energies, because as a male, our energies run different than a female, but we have that female aspect in us, and as a female, she has the male aspect in her as well. So without further ado, let's get into this posture. So we're going to come standing up. Our left hand is going to be clasped. Our right hand is going to be up, and ideally our left leg is going to be up. And yeah, our left legs are going to be up. They're not touching. See, not touching. But then we're just going to look into each other's eyes and feel that we are the divine masculine. Like I am the divine masculine. So who's ever the male in your relationship, or the person that you're doing these Venus kriyas in, who's ever the male, feel like they're the divine masculine. And that the female is the divine feminine, the Shakti, the Shiva and the Shakti. So we're just going to do that for a short period of time. So let's begin. And if you get the giggles, that's alright. Just let it out. If you need to switch legs, that's fine. Suspend the breath. And exhale, relax the posture. Well, that was the Shiva Shakti meditation. And again, these Venus Kriyas are designed to do with someone you love, to bring you closer together, to bring more spirituality into your practice. So let's go ahead and tune out. And we're going to tune out with the Long Time Sunshine song. So let's rub our palms together, put them at the center of our chest. Take a big deep inhale and begin with me. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. Guide your way on. Guide your way on. Oh, thank you, God and Guru, for making us divine and bringing us together so that we may practice in your name. Waheguru Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ki Fateh. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these things, hit that subscribe button down there. And if you want to be notified next time I upload one of these videos, hit that bell icon. And I did write a book. It's about my spiritual journey. It's called Why Wear This Thing on My Head. If you would like a copy, I'll leave that in the description down below. Sat Nam. Waheguru Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ki Fateh.